everyone! Today I want to show you how to make an easy fudge recipe just using 3 ingredients. The ingredients that you need is just 1 bag of your favorite type of chocolate chips. That can be semi-sweet, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever kind you like. I have chosen a bag of dark chocolate chips. You just need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and then you're just going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. But first, what we want to do is just put the entire bag of chocolate chips into a bowl. It needs to be a microwave safe bowl because we will be microwaving this. And then we're just going to put the entire can of sweetened condensed milk. And you don't put the vanilla in until the very end. You just need to stir up your mixture so that your milk is incorporated into your chocolate chips. We're gonna put this in the microwave and cook it for about a minute on low. And it will look a little bit thick, which you want it to, but there's no more chocolate chips in here. They've all completely melted. Now what you wanna do is put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in. Okay, I've completely stirred my vanilla into my fudge. Now you want to spray a baking dish with some non-stick cooking spray. And then you can put your fudge in. Now we're just going to spread it into our dish. Slices, and then it's ready to serve. The fudge came out of the refrigerator and I've sliced it into little pieces. And it looks delicious. I just tried some a minute ago and it is wonderful. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Bye.